All right, this is our first real training hike, backpack, and
We just got a really good laugh at taking pictures from the back
yeah, well,
of ourselves.
I'll put the pictures up. They're pretty darn funny.
It looks ridiculous, and I'm just wondering what the all this stuff I'm going to be leaving behind next time because
Exactly. So right now we're doing a training hike. So we're training for the John Muir Trail, but this is a lessons learned backpacking trip. So
and carrying your own water kind of sucks. So hiking and backpacking in areas that already have water sources is really great.
yeah, so we don't know what the water source is here. Could be dry, could be wet. But we packed a lot of water. So I'm at, what did I say? I was at 36 pounds?
Something like that.
36 pounds, and she's at
probably 29.
29 pounds on our backs.
That's
right
too
now.
Heavy, but
so
we'll see.
We're not ultralighters. We'll talk to you in a bit.
I need my
So you can see we found some water, and we're pretty happy about that. So we don't have to pack out as much water. Yeah. All right, check it out. This is so awesome. We nailed it on the perfect day. Nice clouds coming in. I mean, you can literally see the clouds coming in. We're at about 4,000 feet right now. You can hear the water down here. There's a little stream. The trail's a little overgrown, but not bad at all. And we're having an epic day, aren't we?
Guess what?
What?
We got cell signal.
Oh, cell signal.
Woohoo!
All right, so Melissa and I, there's Melissa back there. We are digging these clouds. I mean, it's making it a little more humid, but it is really, really pretty and fun. This is a epic hike. We're having a blast.
Yeah, it's beautiful, gorgeous. One of my favorite hikes, I think.
Sweet. Well, there's a sign of good luck. That's our first tarantula. We love these little guys. Oh, see, I told Melissa if you bend over, stuff might fall out. But here's our little buddy. Hi, tarantula. All right, we just made it to Oak Zanita Peak. It's only 5,020 feet or something like that. It's still cloudy AF. There's the sun right there. I thought we were totally going to get up above the cloud line, but apparently not. Melissa's just keeping her backpack on. We still have a few more miles to go before we hit camp. Sweet. All right, total amateur move. Melissa and I were like, oh, let's do a selfie right here. It's beautiful. Well, we're both standing in a red ant hill and not good. So anyway, what do you think of this peak?
Anywho.
It's
beautiful.
That's for you, Henry
hike.
Chin.
Yeah.
Right on. Beautiful up here. Now that the sun's coming out, I can show you a little bit about what it looks like. It's kind of cool down there.
This is really a secret gem. I've lived here all my life, and I've never been here. It's beautiful.
San Diego County, baby. It's awesome. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, we are almost above the cloud line. Yeah, baby. Now that's pretty cool. Wow. We can see the mountains across the way and a full moon to boot. Beautiful. Hopefully you can see this, but this is a cloud rainbow. It's made when the sun is behind your back and you're in the clouds. It's a total rainbow, but it's a cloud rainbow. It's so cool.
Very rare.
There's a little deer over there. All right, so we just made it to our campsite. It looks like there's a water pump right there, but we haven't tried it out yet to see if it works. Pack it in, pack it out, of course. And we just heard some turkeys down there. There they are.
Right on. They sound like they're in the tree. I wonder if they're roosting in the tree.
Possible. All right, when you get to this area right here, this is where the turkeys were last night. It says to camps, and it's kind of weird. It has an arrow pointing that way. Well, it's not. It should have an arrow pointing straight up. So you're gonna go to the bathrooms, which are right here, and then I'll continue past that. So the bathrooms are just about right there, and then you walk up this path, and then you come to site number 1. So let's go check out site number 1. Or you can keep going up that path to site number 2 and 3. So let's see what this looks like real quick. Hopefully it's not too far off the beaten track. Cool. Nice and primitive. Got a nice little spot there. You can camp right here. And another little spot back there. So plenty of spots to pitch your tent and sit around. You can't have campfires, but sit around and hang out. Wow, what a difference a day makes. Check it out. That was totally covered in clouds yesterday, and now it's not. And we definitely recommend clouds. It's a little hot out here today, but still an absolutely beautiful hike. We're digging it. What? Hey everybody, okay, this is the last part of our video. We basically had a great time.
It was a beautiful hike.
It was a beautiful hike, except for today. It was a little warm on the warm side coming back. As we mentioned, not a lot of sun or shelter, I guess.
There's a lot of bugs too, biting flies.
Biting flies. Okay, so this is our first big backpacking trip for practicing the JMT. So what did you learn?
I would say it was successful. When we got there, it was a great spot. We set everything up. I was super comfortable last night, weren't you?
Sorry, flies are trying to get in my mouth.
Our dinner was good. Everything worked. I think the mistakes were today, packing, because I just wanted to get the hell out of there. It was really hot. So I just kind of haphazardly packed everything, and I should have paid more attention to the weight distribution, because today my left side was kind of really killing me. Then I switched and it was better. I'm wiping the flies away. That's what I'm doing right now. And I think that's the lesson, keep things, in the top part of your pack, like ibuprofen.
So yeah, she needed
snacks.
ibuprofen, snacks, things like that. Also, she had placed something at the bottom of her bag. It was our little air pump.
That thing rocks.
And when she put the air pump, when she put her backpack down, it turned on the air pump.
And I rested on
So she's like, "Damn, it's way at the bottom of the pack." So she's all, "How do I get?" And so she started thinking about, and she's all, "Dink!" And she just sat down again, and it turned it off. So that was smart thinking for sure.
The other thing that was down at the bottom was my damn peanut butter. I really wanted it. I'm craving for some protein. So anyway, lessons learned, but I think overall it's a beautiful, beautiful hike.
My big lesson learned is don't give up sugar, caffeine, and alcohol all on the same day.
When you're going backpacking.
So the alcohol and caffeine, no problem, but the sugar, everything has sugar in it. So here,
even me, honey.
I know, honey. So basically, the food we had last night was, sugar or starch based.
Really
it was
processed.
Fettuccine Alfredo and this and that. So I was like, you know what? I can't not have sugar. And now I'm thinking about it. You have a lot of free time to think. So what my big thing is now, the reason why I wanted to not do all those things is so I had a healthier heart. But what I'm going to do now is really work out a lot more with protein powder and stuff like that, and try to get the muscles and tendons and ligaments that are not so strong right now a lot more strong. So reducing all my calories and things like that is not going to help that. So back on sugar. So God, I finally got a biting fly on me. Okay. So what we really learned well was our platypus system worked really well. Our water system, where we camped at, there was a little stream nearby, so we just walked up there, took our platypus and all of our water catchment devices, and within 10 minutes, we were done, and it was really good water. And we've been.
I was going to say the platypus is a gravity fed. Don't get in too close to me right now. I am not feeling springtime fresh. If you know what I mean.
Yes, I'm not either. I'm still wearing the same clothes I was wearing yesterday. So
same.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, it's a gravity fed system. So you put the dirty water up here, goes through a pipe and goes down into a clean bag, and then you just fill up your bottles. It was amazing. It really, really was cool. I like that a lot.
Right on. Anything else? Quick.
Yes, bandanas.
Bandanas.
I have many bandanas because of Dixie. She talks about bandanas a lot. But we've decided that we use one bandana for wiping up our dishes, one bandana for sitting on and our little table, one bandana for me for snotting my nose or wiping my sweat, and then we can wash them every day because they're really thin. So
Right.
Those are a couple little inside things. And
we'll tell you more on our next training hike.
And there was a bathroom there, so we really didn't get a chance to use our little bidet.
Yeah,
so,
but we didn't even use the bathroom, so we're still holding it.
I love you.
See ya.
So this is where you park your car at Green Valley Falls if you want to use the primitive camping and backpacking trails. So it's really great because the ranger is right there. So I don't know, it just makes me feel better knowing little Pepe's gonna be okay, huh, honey?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Nice, good job.
Good job.
Join our journey. We know you have questions and comments. The Adventure Travelers.